Hey everyone, guys, today I'm going to show you how to actually transfer money from a Cash App to your Navy Federal Credit Union account. It's actually really easy and simple, so with just a few steps, you can easily move your funds from Cash App to Navy Federal. So let's dive right in, guys. So first things first, guys, you want to make sure your Navy Federal bank account is actually linked to your Cash App, okay? So what you want to do, guys, is you want to open up Cash App. Go to the home screen and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and select linked banks or banking to add your Navy Federal account. If is not linked already, you'll need your Navy Federal account and routing numbers for this, okay? Now, once your Navy Federal account is actually linked, guys, you want to return to the home screen in Cash App, okay? And just tap on the Balance tab, which basically just shows your available balance, and then just select cash out, right? And you just want to choose the amount you actually want to transfer. So the Cash App actually offers two options for transferring your funds: instant, okay, which covers you for small fees, or standard, which is a free transfer, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Select the option which works best for you and the urgency that you require. After you choose your deposit speed, confirm the transaction by tapping Cash Out, and Cash Out will start processing the transfer to your Navy Federal account, and you're all set, guys. And that's it, guys. And if you just a few steps, guys, you can now transfer money from your Cash App to your Navy Federal account. Hope this guide was helpful, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips on banking and money transfer, guys. Make sure you subscribe so I can see you guys in the next one.